Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about a set of integers. Okay, what's the meaning of integers? Okay, we know that we have C, the C. Okay, we have C level, and C level represent number 0, and above C level represent something we called it positive numbers or normal numbers, day 1, 2, 3, and so on. Below sea level represent negative numbers. Like when we listen to the weather, we can say the weather in Russia is 20 below 0. It means negative 20. It means 20 under 0, below 0. Okay, do we have numbers below 0? Yes, we have numbers below 0, and we put negative numbers. Okay, like this one, we have here 0, the sea level, and above 0 we call positive numbers, and below 0 we call negative numbers. We can deduce that the positive numbers are greater than 0 and also greater than the negative numbers. And negative numbers are smaller than 0 and also smaller than the positive numbers. Okay, 0 is not positive numbers, is not negative numbers, because 0 is the sea level. So 0 is sea level. 0 is fixed, not positive, not negative. Okay. Set of integers for the negative numbers and positive numbers and set of 0. And we know that 0 and positive numbers we talked before in grade 5, yes, it's natural numbers. 0 and positive numbers are natural numbers. So z equal z negative or z positive union set of 0 union z negative, or we can express it in another way. So z positive and 0 is n. So z positive union 0, we can replace it with n union z negative. And n equal set of 0 union z positive. N subset of z, right? And set of 0 subset of z. And z positive subset of z. And z negative subset of z. So let's see, if n subset of z, then n intersect z equal. Do you remember in grade 5 when he told me that x subset of y, it means x inside y. It means x is the small and y is the biggest. So we said before, intersection give me the smallest and the union give me the biggest. So here n subset of z. So the smallest is n and the biggest is z. So n and z give me the smallest اللي هو what? n. And the union n union z equal z. If set of 0 subset of z, then set of 0 intersect z, we must know that which one is the smallest and which one is the biggest. So here, smallest and biggest. So intersection give me 0 and the union give me z. If z positive subset of z, then yes, z positive intersect z equal, yes, z positive and z positive union z equal, yes, z. If z negative subset of z, then z negative intersect z equals z negative, and z negative union z equals z. If set of 0 subset of n, then set of 0 intersect n equals set of 0, and set of 0 union n equal n. If z positive subset of n, then z positive intersect n equal, yes, z positive, and z positive union n equal. You have questions like this, section of union. Ask yourself first. Ask yourself, this one is subset of this or not? Okay, if subset, make this rule, small and big, and answer. Okay, complete z union z positive. You must ask yourself, z union z positive. Z positive is subset of z. So the union equal, yes, z. Z intersect z positive. Z positive subset of z. So the intersection z positive, z negative union z. And this subset of this, so it will be z negative. Sorry, union z. Z intersect z negative equals z negative. Z negative union z positive equal, yes, all of z except mean, except 0. So it will be z star, اللي هي z minus 0. Z negative intersect z positive. There is no intersection between positive and negative, so it will be 5. Complete using belong, not belong, subset, not subset. Negative 3 and z positive, not belong. We know that. If we have into braces, it means belong or not belong. This is element and this is set. Negative 8, yes, belong to z. Set of 15, not subset of z negative. Z negative and z subset. And set of 0 and n subset. And phi is subset of any set. Represent on number line. If I want to represent the 3, so let's draw the number line. We will draw number line. Here we have z positive and here we have z negative. And in middle put 0, and to the right put 1, 2, 3, and to the left put the negative numbers. So 3, we will put dark point on 3. Okay, negative 2, let's draw the same number line and put negative 2. Dark point on negative 2. Here, x, let's read it back. X is greater than negative 3 and less than 1. It means between negative 3 and 1. Negative 3 and 1. Can I put dark point on negative 3 or 1? No, because we don't have here sign equal. Okay, so it will be between negative 3 and 2, so we will put negative 2 and 0. So, and take the number between them. So the number here will be negative 2, negative 1, and 0. X greater than or equal 3. So we will, طالما في equal, it means we will put the dark point on 3. And greater than, move to the right. Less than or equal 1. Okay, we have equal, so we'll put the dark point on 1 and move to the left. The absolute value. What's the meaning of the absolute value? The absolute value of 2, we read it as modulus 2, or the absolute value of 2. It means the distance from 0 to this number. So, okay, so from 0 to 2, count. Yes. 1, 2. So the absolute value of 2 equal 2. And the absolute value of -2, it means also the distance from 0 to the number. So let's count. 1, 2. It means 2 also. So the absolute value from 0 to -2 equal also 2. So any number inside modulus will be positive outside. Complete. Modulus of -3 equal 3. Modulus of -8 equal 8. Plus modulus of -2 equal 2. It will be 10. Modulus of -4, 4. Plus 3 equal 7. Here, which number can give me 10? We can put 10 or -10. Here, here 24, so it will be 24 or -24. Thank you.